Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis or lasting joint damage. The popping sound comes from gas bubbles bursting in joint fluid. While it might annoy others, studies show it's mostly harmless. Excessive cracking could cause some temporary swelling or weaker grip over time, so moderation is important.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.